Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Binance Live and how to follow people on Binance. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Binance app. Then you have to activate the Pro version, which is in the top left corner. As you can see, here is this switch, and by tapping on it you can switch between the Binance Lite or the Binance Pro version. So I recommend everybody to use the Binance Pro because there are a lot more features. So activate the Binance Pro. Then at the home page you have to swipe down very slowly. It's very interesting. It's quite a secret hidden feature. If you swipe down very slowly, it will open up the marketplace. And here at the popular section, you will find the Binance Live feature. If you tap on it, you will see all the most popular people or networks on Binance, which you can follow. You can go to the live version, preview and replay, and check out all these profiles on Binance. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.